If I throw you the lemon, you gotta catch it, and real quickly, I want you to tell me your favorite food in the world.
Tamale.
Tamale.
Pozole.
Pozole? I'm gonna say pizza. What is up, everybody? Chef Joel here. We've got Lola and Milo. Lola, how old are you?
I am 10.
10, and Milo?
I am 9.
And they are the best. So today we're gonna make a really crispy salmon with rice and a cucumber salad. Does that sound yummy or weird?
Both. Kind of weird.
So we have some beautiful salmon. Do you guys already like salmon?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Love
That's
it.
good. What I'm gonna have you do, Milo, is I'm gonna want you to paint. It's Dijon mustard, but we're gonna treat it like paint. And while Milo's doing that, Lola, we're gonna make a really crispy topping. So these are breadcrumbs. Okay, this is called panko breadcrumbs. So go ahead and put that in. It's just garlic powder. Go for it.
Like in here?
Yeah, right in there. All right, and then a big pinch of salt. Let me see a big pinch. Now use your hands and kind of move that all around. So has anyone ever heard of air frying before?
Yes.
It's kind of, if you have it at home, it's the newest rage, and really it just makes things super crispy in a really, really fast amount of time with no oil. So take the salmon and kind of dust it, and then we're just gonna put this crust on. Look how good that looks. It kind of looks like a chicken finger, right?
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna lay it right there. Get messy, buddy.
I don't want
Cooking's
to.
messy. You gotta get messy. All right, 2 more, guys. Let's do it. What I'm gonna do is pop this in the oven, and at home, this is what makes it air frying. That the heat can get underneath there. See how there's no bottom? And that's what makes it crispy on the bottom and the top. All right, so as the salmon's baking, we're gonna make a really exciting, crunchy cucumber salad to go with it. You guys ready? All right, first thing. Oh my God, the way you're holding that is scaring me. All right, Milo, will you please hand me the cucumber? So the first thing is take your hand and make a claw. Yep, and tuck back your fingers like this. And I just want you to do slices. Just rock the knife forward. And I want all of our cucumbers in the bowl, please. Scoop them up, put them in.
Shoot them up.
So I'm gonna chop up scallions, all right? This is gonna go in there, but I want you guys to make the dressing. The dressing is so easy. So pour that into the spoon. There you go. Just to the top. There, you got it. Yeah, buddy. All right, soy sauce, same thing. Open it up. And while you guys are doing that, I'm just gonna chop up these green onions. All right, in we go. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna add all these chopped green onions.
Ooh,
Yummy, right?
Well, you got this.
All right, and then Milo, mix it all around, buddy. Go for it. Mix it hard, mix it fast. All right, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna scoop a little bit of this salad right by the rice. And then in about like 1 minute, our salmon is gonna be ready. And we'll put it right there and we'll try it all together. Sound good? High fives all the way around. Boom, boom. All right, I'm gonna put the salmon here. Beautiful. All right, the rule on Kitchen Magic is you have to try it, but you don't have to like it. You have to just be honest.
There you go.
Talk. What do we think? I'm dying, I wanna know.
It's good.
Ah, yes! And? What does that mean?
Good.
That's good. We'll take the
No,
it's
no.
good and it's good.
No, it's both.
It's both. It's both.
It's good and bad.
It's good and bad. I'll take
The
a good and
cucumber,
bad.
I'm
That
gonna
wins
try.
every night of the week.
Here's
Love
some
it.
salmon.
Take care, everybody.